All right, so first meal of the day here, we have what I'm gonna make for breakfast. I'll pop up a little screen grab of my FitnessPal. As I mentioned, I did track all of my meals last night, so everything down to the gram fits into my macros today perfectly. So what I'm gonna be having is 2 packets of the oatmeal Oat Fit, which is this one. If you guys can't find it at your grocery store called Oat Fit, they recently changed the packaging. It's now called Better Oats, but each packet is only 100 calories. You have 2 grams of fat, 18 carb, and 3 protein. So in order to hit my specific macronutrient goal for the day, I'm gonna have 2 packets of this. I also brought out my food scale because we're gonna be weighing out some banana, and I'm also having 1 whole egg and some egg whites. Again, I'll put the exact calories for the whole meal and the final macros for the breakfast on the screen. But whatever I measured out last night was 118 grams of banana. So I'm just gonna turn on my little food scale. My son is watching a movie, if you guys can hear that. He's so cute. He's eating his little Kodiak cakes over here. I just recently got this food scale at Target. I'll link it down below because it was super cheap. So I just basically put it to grams. So for my breakfast, it calls for 118, what was it? Yeah, 118 grams of banana. All right, so that's 126 grams. You want to be as close as possible, so I'm just going to take a little bit off. I'll just keep this in the freezer to freeze for like a smoothie or something. So 107. All right, let's try to get this perfect. 119, perfect. Okay, so that's weighed out. I'll put this over to the side because I'm gonna be slicing this up on top of my oatmeal. And then for breakfast, it also calls for 1 whole egg. So I'll just go ahead and put, you wanna make your scale go down to 0. Or I'm sorry, put whatever plate or whatever you're measuring in on there. And then you wanna make it go down to 0. Perfect. I'm gonna crack 1 whole egg. Of course, you want to make a mess and spill everywhere because you're 5 like me. Now I need to measure out my egg whites, but it already says 54 grams. You want it to be back to 0 so you can measure exactly how many egg whites you're going to be putting in. There's only a tiny bit left in this carton, so I'm going to use all of them. So that is 103 grams. What's up, guys? All right, so it's now like 3:15 p.m. I am a sweaty mess. I just did some cardio, actually ran outside instead of going to the gym today. It was so nice out there. But I'm about to have an afternoon snack. I picked up this Power Bar, the Clean Whey Protein Bar, cookies and cream flavor. You can get them at Ralph's. Tried them for the first time the other day and the flavor was actually bomb. This literally fits right into my allotted macros for the day. So it is, let's see if it'll focus, 190 calories, 5 grams of fat, 20 grams of protein, and 25 carb. So I did prep my lunch for today. I planned out all my meals last night in my FitnessPal. So I was planning on eating this meal at home, but change of plans. So, hey guys!
Hey guys.
Did you just get home from school?
Yeah.
Oh, you look pretty cute today. Where are we going?
Grandpa's cabin.
Grandpa's cabin, good job. You're so cute. So I'm gonna be taking this meal with me that I've already prepped and weighed out. We have about 36 grams of sweet potato, about 40 grams of Brussels sprouts, and I believe it's like 45-ish grams of ground turkey. I'm just gonna take this in the car. Probably just gonna have the protein bar right now. And then once we get up to my dad's cabin in about an hour, I'll probably heat this up at his place and eat this on the way home for a late lunch. So it's now almost 8 p.m. It is really late. I'm gonna make my late dinner. This is my last meal. So I'm gonna walk you guys through everything that I'm making for my dinner. And then I'll put my final macros and calories up on the screen for the end of the day recap through MyFitnessPal. So I'm gonna make one of these veggie burgers, which are so bomb. I'm almost out of carbs for the day, so I'm not gonna make it on bread or anything. I'm gonna do probably 1 or 2 of these tomatoes. I need to weigh out the exact grams that I have left for my macros for the day. And also, I'm gonna be having 8 slices of this pepperoni. And I'm just gonna saute up some veggies on the side. This is like a little fajita mix and some mushrooms. I like the Kikkoman soy sauce, but I also use liquid aminos. So use whatever you have. And yeah, your girl is hungry, so let's get this shit poppin'.